Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide public holidays on the Google Calendar. So here I've already opened the apps on my phone, the Google Calendar apps, and here on the February, let's see, the green dot on the date is the public holidays in my country. And if you want to hide this from your calendar, so what you need to do, just click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Okay, here just scroll down until you find this options right here, the birthdays and also holidays. So just unenable this, so uncheck these holidays, and let's go back to the date. As you guys can see, the public holidays on the month on each month will be disappear or removed. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.